Welcome to section 1 of this course. Here we will start bringing our game to life by creating the player character and his weapon. We'll start this section by sketching and painting our player character. And once that's done, we will learn how to import our creation into the Unity game engine. There we will not only rig our character, in other words create his virtual skeleton, but also learn how to animate him using Unity's awesome animation tools. Once all that's done, Liam will take over with the first C# programming video, which will allow you to move the player character around the scene. We'll also learn about animation transitions, particle effects, and make a script that gets our camera following the player around the game world. So as you can see, this first section is jam-packed with exciting tutorials for you to learn from. By the end of it, you should be able to create your very own player game characters from scratch. Now, as said previously, we really urge you to not completely copy what we do. Don't draw the same player character as I will. Try making your own using the information shared in the upcoming tutorials. You'll learn so much more and have a much better time. And again, if you have any questions or a problem with one of the videos in this section, let us know via the course's Discord server. Me, my brother, or someone else from the community will try helping you out. With that said, I'll see you in the next video where we'll sketch out the game's hero.